You're in Park Row. Now, Park Row is the name of the little alleyway that Bruce Wayne's parents got murdered in. Every one of the paintings you see on the wall is actually, in real life, been stolen. And we've had them forged and then slightly adjusted according to something about, generally Batman, but DC Comics.
All right, so we came together in February to find one thing we could do together as an industry, and the Climate Accord was born. And remember, the Climate Accord is a consortium of companies, right? Where iMasons is a professional association of individuals